Welcome to my channel. Today let us learn new tricks on mathematics. Today we shall learn squaring tricks. So let us check it.
Hello friends, today let us learn square of a number ending with 5. So there are two steps. Step 1, we have to find it out 5 square. Then step 2 is we have to multiply a into a plus 1. When we have a here, we might have confusion. So m is the first digit. This is the first digit. We have taken a sample here, a5 square. That means any number a into a plus 1. First part, left hand side and right. So let us take one example here. This is our a. So what we have is, according to the formula, we have 2 into 2 plus 1 is 3 and 5 square we have here. The answer we are having 6 to 5. This is our answer, 625. Now let us check some example here. So what we have here, always we have got 25 permanent. So 1 into 2 is 2. 225 is the square of 15. 25 square we have here, and 35 square we have a permanent 25 here, and 3 into 4 is 12. This one 45 square we have 25 permanent, 4 5 are 20, so it is 20 25. 55 square is nothing but 25. 5 into 6 is 30, 3025. 65 square, 85 square, or 115 square, whatever it is, we can find it out very easily. 5 square we have 5 5 is 25. 6 into 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, 6 7 is 42, 4225. 85 square is 25. 8 9 is 72, 7225. What we have here, 115 square. So we write the permanent number 25. 11 into 12 is 132. So let me give you some examples so that you can try it yourself. 95, 105. You can give me the answer in the comment section. Thank you.
Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like and share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe it.